Welcome to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of nucleus and their ultrastructure along with their functions. First of all, what is nucleus and who discovered nucleus in all the cells? Initially, the nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. He proposed the nucleus. This is an important for all the cells. This also acts as a brain of the cell. And internally we have to see different parts of the nucleus. What are the parts? Internally, the nucleus composed of the main parts of chromatin network, nucleolus and their nucleoplasm. In the outermost coverage, the nucleoplasm is delimited by a nuclear membrane. In this nuclear membrane, nuclear pores are present here and there. In some of the nucleus, it is present in appropriate size and their spacing intervals on the nuclear membrane. In this nucleus, first we have seen some of the main importance. Previously, the nucleus is present in all the cells, undeveloped conditions. That type of nucleus simply say as known as nucleoid. This is best example for bacteria and blue-green algae. Now here we are discussed about higher level plants and animals what have an intact nucleus. For that focus, the intact nucleus, it covers nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, chromatin network, the well developed chromatin network, and also the RNA producing nucleolus. Normally the nucleus, it looks like a globular in structure. This is present in the cell in the center part of the cell. Globular structure, this is arised from cytoplasm. Some of them are says that this is arised from the cell membrane. But the globular structure of nucleus, which contains the important part of an entire closed structure covered with nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm, otherwise called as karyoplasm. Based on this nucleus, the cells are categorized into two types, prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cells based on the development. The nucleus simply say brain of the cell because it is controlled all the activity of the cell. Inside the nucleus, we could have eminent and individual prominent structure is there. That is also globular in structure. That is known as nucleolus. This nucleolus normally present in the periparallel of the nucleus inside the karyoplasm or nucleoplasm as a embedded condition. In this nucleus, a genetic material, the DNA material known as chromatin network is present, full of embedded conditions or in the suspended condition of the nucleoplasm. This is act as hereditary material for the nucleus. This is very important. The nucleus, they have to involve the main function of cell division and the transfer of hereditary material from one cell to another cell or one progeny to another progeny or one offspring to another offspring. This is take place in the meiosis as well as mitotic divisions. The entire nucleus also shows that this is very particularly involved in to control all the cell organelles present inside the cell. So that this is very important. The nucleus, normally a single cell had a single nucleus. That's it. Thank you.